Hey everyone, how are you? Hope everybody are doing good. Welcome to Homeschool. Here I have come up with the answers for the many doubts that you have asked me when I launched the course Target 95 Plus. So yesterday I have launched this course for class 10 students, isn't it? Saying Target 95 Plus. So in the comments and also for our WhatsApp number and also in the app, we had got lots of questions. So today I am going to give answers for all those questions. Question number 1, the most common question that you had asked was, what if we miss the live class? I said it is 1 month course, right? 6th Feb to almost around 5th of March. Okay, so evening 7 to 8:30 p.m. is a live class. Okay, so suppose if you miss a live class, no need to worry. The recording of a live class is available in a course itself. Okay, once the live class is completed after 8:30 p.m., around 9 or 9:30 p.m. Recording of a live class is available. You can watch that whenever you want. Okay, so it will be always there in a course. Okay, even just before going for the examination, you want to have a quick recap on any of the chapter at a glance, it is available. Okay, so it is always available. Recording live classes are automatically gets recorded. Okay, so recording is always available in a course. You can watch whenever you want, so no doubt in that. Okay, fine. And the next question is the course helpful for CBSE? About this I have already told you in yesterday's video, but once again I'll just clarify you. Yeah, CBSE examinations will start from 15th February, right? And from 15th, whatever the exams will start, all of them are not like common subjects, right? So it is not a science, maths or social studies or whatever. So they are all like languages and other kind of subjects which most of them do not take it, right? So if you want a detailed revision, I mean quickest and best possible revision on a chapter, then you can go for a course. But I will not be helping you out with the questions, okay, the way the questions that come for CBSE exam. My entire approach is towards state board, but since you also have the same chapter, same syllabus, maybe the revision may help you. Whatever the one shot revision I will do in this time slot in the form of flowchart and mind map, that may help you. For that, if you want to buy, yes, you are welcome, and you will get the handwritten notes, that may help you. Okay, the detailed handwritten notes may help you. Okay, so if you want that, okay, you can buy. Otherwise, there is no force, and I am only telling you that it will not 100% help you. To some extent, to revise the concept, it may help you. That's it. Okay, and next thing is, I had got one interesting question yesterday. How could you complete the whole chapter in 1.5 hours? Each chapter I will take for 2 days, minimum of 2 days. If it is a smallest chapter like our environment and all, 1 day is enough. Okay, but the bigger chapters like acid, bases, salts or carbon and its compound, whatever it is, medium to bigger chapter, I may take 2 days or 3 days. Okay, so keep one thing in a mind. I am not explaining the concepts here. Okay, right from ABCD onwards, right from basic onwards, I am not explaining. I am just revising you. Okay, so the entire chapter in a quickest way, in the easiest way possible, I am revising you. Okay, to give that confidence for you, to remember the entire concept in one stretch, I am helping you. That's it. See, listen, I am not detailedly explaining any concept right from basic. That is never possible within 1.5 hours, even if I take 3 days or 2 days, right? So here I am revising in a quickest possible way, easiest possible way, and certain critical concepts. I mean, if you have any difficult concepts in a chapter, I will help you with those concepts to remember with tricks. Okay, so there will be lot of cheat codes and tricks, tips, etc. Okay, for a difficult concepts. So with my own tricks and tips, I will help you to remember them in a better way. That's it. I am not explaining them in a detailed way. Keep this point in your mind. And I told you yesterday, if you have a zero knowledge on any chapter or in case of science, don't take this course. Okay, if you are an average student or above average student, say you want to excel in the board examination with more improved marks, say you are now getting 80 marks in your preparatories or your school examinations, so you want to go up to 90 or 95, then this will help you. Or you are already at the stage of 90 or 95, you want to get 100%, that is 100 on 100, then this course will help you. So I am just making your concepts sharper and more clearer. Keep this in point. I am making the concepts more sharper and more clear. Okay, so and I am helping you with certain concepts to remember in a better way. Right? It is not that I am explaining the entire concept once again in a detailed way right from basics. That is not possible. Okay, I am just doing a quickest form of revision. Okay, and I'll be helping you out with the application questions, and major thing is I'll be helping you out with the activities that are there in a NCERT textbook. So this you keep in mind. Okay, and again I'm telling you, if you have a zero knowledge, you don't know anything in science, okay, then this course is not for you. Please don't take. Okay, if you are an average student, you want to improve your score up to 95 or 95 plus, look the heading of the course, I mean the name of a course, you can see target 95 plus. Okay, see, without knowing anything, suddenly within a month scoring 95 plus is highly impossible. Okay, it is not for those children. It is for those students who already have studied the science and somewhere you are lacking confidence, somewhere you are not clear with the concepts, somewhere you are confused with the concepts, somewhere you are not okay to remember, then this course will save you. Okay, so handwritten notes will save you, the way I revise in the live classes will save you, and also the way I solve the applications will save you, and that will give you confidence to face the exam, and you may score 100 on 100 also, no doubt in that, if you work hard. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you. And one more thing, I have already uploaded handwritten notes in a course. Okay, so those who have purchased a course can see this handwritten notes. Not all the chapters, Human Eye and Colorful World I did not upload, Sustainable Management I did not upload. These two chapters in a couple of days I will upload. Okay, so remaining all chapters are uploaded. If there is any topic missed out in a handwritten notes, you can notify me, I will upload soon. Okay, so already handwritten notes on our chapters is uploaded. You can download option is there, you can nicely download, take the print and happily study and refer. And one most common question that I liked and I wanted to answer for that, the question was, ma'am, why are you keeping fees for the course? Why are you not uploading freely in the YouTube? See, of course, this is the doubt everybody has. See, one thing is very clear, every concept in the NCERT textbook, science and mathematics, everything is there in a channel for free. Okay, we are not charging anything, and we did not keep anything private or unlisted or something. Okay, we kept everything open. So we wanted to share our knowledge with everyone. But now for developing this course, you know, we have spent our energy, we have spent our money, we have not got this app freely. Okay, we have spent money and we have spent our energy, we have spent our knowledge, we have done lots of research in developing a course and have designed in a proper way. You know, it should have some worth, right? even I should get something out of it, right? So everything cannot be given free. So that is why I told you, those who are interested only can buy. It is not a force. So if you want any concept, it is freely available in the YouTube. You can happily read, practice, and you can get very good mark only. Okay, so and most of the time when something is given freely, people will not take it that seriously. So when you pay and study, you get that interest. Okay, I just paid this much amount for this, I have to be serious, and I need to get this, I need to ask this, I need to solve this. That kind of interest can be generated, right? So that is also one thing. So I did not keep too much of price on it. You can check it out outside and compare the other courses. I am just giving you for a very much minimum price. This is not a huge sum, I can say. Okay, so thank you so much. That's all I wanted to share. See you, and once again in the YouTube, definitely I will come live for YouTube students also. I'll be clearing some of the toughest topics from certain chapters. No doubt in that. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. Keep learning.